honestly, I don't know what's about to happen. I've literally only used an air compressor one time in my life. What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Danielle with the Purple Ladder Company, back with another video, and I am super duper excited because in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing of an oilless pancake air compressor. So you guys watching my Snapchat stories, you saw last week I was able to use the air compressor for the very first time, but I have one on my own here because I'm working on some chair rail trim installation that I'm going to be doing today as well. So it's a central pneumatic pancake air compressor. It's a 3-gallon. I don't know if I mentioned that already. I literally don't know about any of the parts and anything like that, so we're going to just get right to it and see what goes on. Okay, so this is the compressor. I got it from Harbor Freight. It is the 3-gallon oilless pancake air compressor. It's so funny because I was asking my boss, how do you recharge it, I guess? Like, how do you get the air in there? But that was the dumbest question because you're just plugging it in and letting it charge, and that's how the compressor gets the air. So if you guys were wondering, don't ask nobody that stupid question, okay? All right, so first things first, we have the manual here. And looks like one side is in English and the other side is in Spanish. So that's really helpful. Next, let's see. And I literally just pulled it straight out of the box. And the only thing that's left is just the styrofoam that it was in. So remove the plastic. And let's take a look at this baby. Ooh. So this is how it comes. You can see it here. So this one, the particular one that I got, like I said, is a pancake. They have a hot dog compressor, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's just the shape of it. This one is like a pancake. It comes with a handle, so it's very easy to carry and cover and move around as you're working on your job site or you're working with your project. So I'm just going to take a moment and read through the manual so I can let you guys know what is what on this bad boy, because I don't even know myself. Okay, so I want to point out all of the pieces here on the compressor so that you guys can identify and know what's going on. So firstly, we've got the regulator knob. So this is going to allow you to release some of the pressure from the compressor. Depending on the gun, it'll let you know what max pressure, PSI, that you can use. And so this is with the regulator knob that you would use to make the necessary adjustments. So this one is the tank air pressure gauge, and this one here is the output air pressure gauge. So this is going to be the pressure inside of the tank, and then this one would be the output, so what's going out. So you want to make sure that you're looking at this one with regards to what type of gun you're using. So up here at the top, you'll notice the fuse. This is the fuse holder here. You've got an on and off button. Of course, when you initially set up your compressor, you wanted to turn it on. Initially, when you set up your air compressor, you want to just plug it in and leave it running for 30 minutes to allow the air to get charged into the compressor and get ready to use. Most simple projects, you'll be able to use it with just one, or sometimes you'll have to plug it back in and recharge. Okay, so you've got the safety valve is here. This is the safety valve, and this over here is the air outlet. So this is going to be the place where you plug in your cord and your hose for your gun, and this is going to be the part where the air is coming out. Of course, you've got just a regular cord, something to take away from the cord. So something to make note of when using this air compressor, you see there is a 3-prong, so it is a grounded cord. So you want to make sure you are using it in a three-prong outlet as well. And so if you guys don't know what that looks like, this is a 3-prong outlet. So you'll notice some of the switches outlets only have those 2 here and not that bottom part. This is what you're looking for. So it's important. So you want to make sure you're plugging into a grounded outlet as well to make sure that you stay safe. That's it, you guys. That's literally it. That's all that came in the box. So again, another important takeaway is make sure you are purchasing your nailer and your stapler gun separately, along with the holes and any couplings that wouldn't be needed to use with this piece of equipment. Just a brief reminder, I have started a GoFundMe. I'm raising capital for my business, The Purple Ladder Company. I will drop a link down in the description box below. Just click the link. It'll take you right there. Anything helps, guys. Yeah, so that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friend and tell a friend. And I'll see you next time.